Hello friends, previously I have posted a video that how to get a 10k instant funding account for free. So many people complaining that they don't get their account, and this video is about the complete step by step process to get the funded account, instant funded account for free. So first of all, you need to register your account following the link below description of this video, and you need to sign up for this website using your email ID and phone number or other some details if you need to fill. I think you know very well how to register on a PropFarm account. So when you will register and verify the account, then you have to log in the dashboard again. So when you will log into the dashboard, and you will see this kind of icon below bottom part of this site, and you have to click the plus icon. Can you see the plus icon? Yes. When you will click the plus icon, you will see the customization option. So we have to put 10,000 amount because there is no account below 10,000, so you have to put 10,000. And if you scroll down below, you will see the full information of this account. You can customize the daily drawdown to 5% and the maximum drawdown to 10%. You can see here, just clicking this add-on option. So you will get a 10k instant funding account with the daily drawdown of 5% and the maximum drawdown of 10%. So this is amazing offer. So now you have to scroll below, and you can see the promo code option. Here we have to put the promo code which you have received in your email. So check your email ID again. If you get the code, you have to copy and paste the code to get your 10,000 PropFarm instant funding account. You can also get, I think, MT5, which is good to trade. So this is amazing offer, and grab it. Thank you.